Welcome to TechVibe, where we bring you the absolute sharpest look at tomorrow's premium tech. If you are wearing an Apple Watch right now, or if you have been holding out on upgrading because recent generations felt like minor updates, everything is about to change. Massive manufacturing leaks directly from the supply chain have just confirmed that the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is getting the most radical overhaul in the history of Apple's flagship wearable. We are talking about a completely reimagined chassis, an absolute overhaul of the health tracking system on a hardware level, and a massive shift in how you interact with your device daily. The era of minor incremental updates is officially over, and Apple is playing to win back the premium market. To understand why this is a massive shift, we have to look at what has been holding the Ultra back. Ever since its debut, the biggest complaint from the premium consumer market hasn't been performance, it has been wearability. The device is a massive, chunky block of titanium that often feels awkward under a dress shirt or uncomfortable to wear while sleeping. The leaked supply chain documents confirm that Apple is addressing this head-on with a brand new industrial design. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is dropping its thickness by roughly 15%. This means Apple is engineering a slimmer, significantly more aerodynamic profile without sacrificing the rugged, adventure-ready durability that defines the Ultra lineup. The device will maintain its iconic 49mm footprint, but by shrinking the vertical bulk, it instantly transitions from a niche outdoor instrument to an ultra-premium, everyday luxury timepiece. Furthermore, this slimmed-down housing features enhanced structural geometry that reduces overall weight while increasing pure structural rigidity against external impacts. The display bezel is also getting shaved down even further, maximizing the active screen. To match the striking new look, Apple is ditching traditional display constraints for a state-of-the-art tandem panel layout. This engineering choice pushes boundaries by layering two organic light-emitting structures to hit an incredible peak brightness of 3500 nits under heavy ambient lighting conditions. Whether you are running a desert marathon in direct sunlight or checking a notification in a dark theater, this screen will be perfectly legible while dropping down to a single nit when idle to protect your battery. But the structural redesign is only half the story. The biggest breakthrough on the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is happening right against your skin. According to recent manufacturing data, Apple is completely ditching the old biometric sensor configuration on the back of the case. In its place is a brand new, fully redesigned array featuring 8 distinct health sensors arranged in a highly advanced ring pattern. This effectively doubles the component count dedicated to health metrics. Up until now, Apple has relied heavily on software algorithms to fill in the gaps and interpret biometric data. By doubling the physical sensor hardware, the Ultra 4 minimizes its dependence on algorithmic guesswork. This results in unprecedented precision for sleep analysis, heart rate tracking, and core athletic metrics. This brings us to the feature that is currently sitting on the desks of health regulatory bodies. The Advanced 8 sensor ring is the foundational hardware for Apple's next big medical breakthrough, advanced on-wrist blood pressure monitoring. The supply chain leaks reveal that this isn't just a simple software update. The new optical array is designed to actively track arterial patterns and flag dangerous spikes or consistent trends that point toward hypertension. This complex sensory network will continuously read subtle arterial wall changes with massive throughput. The system cross-references these microscopic vascular expansions directly against your baseline data in real time. The device will act as an early warning system right on your wrist, providing critical medical-grade notifications before you even notice symptoms. This feature alone completely elevates the Ultra 4 from a premium fitness tracker to an essential piece of preventative health hardware, giving it a massive competitive edge in the luxury wearable market. Powering all this advanced hardware is the upcoming S11 silicon chip. For the past couple of generations, efficiency gains have been relatively modest. The S11 architecture changes the game by prioritizing extreme power efficiency alongside localized AI processing. Built on an ultra-advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, this chip represents the largest architectural leap in years. Thanks to the massive efficiency gains from both the new chip and the uncompressed data from the 8-sensor array, the Ultra 4 is set to break battery records. The leaks indicate that the watch will easily cruise past 72 hours of continuous use in low-power modes, making multi-day backcountry tracking or weekend travel entirely seamless without a charger. Alternatively, Apple may use these efficiency gains to slightly shrink the battery size to accommodate the thinner chassis design, ensuring you get the same legendary battery life but in a far more comfortable, sleek form factor. This extreme localized power is absolutely necessary because the Ultra 4 will launch with a completely upgraded ecosystem built entirely around next-generation artificial intelligence. This isn't the limited, cloud-dependent voice assistant from a few years ago. The new system features full personal context awareness. The watch will understand what you are doing, where you are going, and what you need before you even ask. It features a completely redesigned, dynamic grid layout that prioritizes your most used applications based on your daily routine. This means you get contextually relevant widgets that surface dynamically, changing instantly whether you step into a boardroom meeting or walk onto a running track. The new localized intelligence allows you to seamlessly continue deep, multi-turn conversations across your entire ecosystem, picking up right where you left off on your phone or laptop. Security is also getting a premium upgrade. There are strong indications from the supply chain that physical biometric security is coming to the wrist. Apple is exploring the integration of a dedicated fingerprint sensor, likely embedded directly into either the flush side button or the customizable action button. This completely eliminates the friction of entering a passcode on a tiny screen when you put the watch on, adding a seamless layer of security for digital payments, secure building access, and private health data. To expand its independent capabilities further, Apple is also bumping the internal flash storage capacity up to 64 GB, allowing plenty of space for offline vector maps, heavy application databases, and rich media playback completely untethered from your primary devices. When you add up a 15% thinner titanium design, an advanced 8-sensor medical array, on-wrist blood pressure notifications, a 3500 nits display, and deep next-generation artificial intelligence integration, the picture becomes crystal clear. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be the most compelling and justifiable upgrade we have seen in years. It takes everything that made the original rugged concept great and refines it into a beautifully wearable, highly advanced piece of premium technology. Expect the official unveiling this September alongside the new premium smartphone lineup, with the starting price expected to hold steady at the premium $800 mark. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the future of premium wearables on TechVibe. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the absolute latest high-end tech specs, hardware leaks, and authentic industry insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know if you will be upgrading to the Ultra 4 this fall. See you in the next video.